Hi. Hi. This is related to the SPA assignment, second assignment. First part of the assignment 2, already a video has been recorded, and this is the second part of the assignment. So I'm going to talk about how the data has been moving from a Kafka to Spark streaming and from Spark streaming to Kafka. So that is the flow which I'm going to talk. So let me start with the routine process of opening the Zookeeper, and from there again next we will create the Kafka server. So let me open Zookeeper here. So this is Zookeeper. So while it is executing, I'm just copying the command prompt command for starting the Kafka server. So Zookeeper has successfully started. So let me open the other window for Kafka server. So I'm running Kafka server using the command prompt /. So I have installed Kafka and I have installed, we have installed Spark, and we have installed SBT for the integration between Kafka and Spark. So the dependency will be taken care by the SBT. So I will show while we complete this consumer creation, producer and consumer execution. So then I will show the SBT execution as well. So now we see the server also started. So now next is I already have created the Kafka. So I will just show what are the different Kafkas, the topics are there. Let me show the various topics which we have created already. So the topic which we were using is Maina Kafka. So this is the topic which we were using. So let me run the server. Kafka server I will be running. Sorry, not server, producer I'm running. So Kafka producer, which I'm executing with the same Mina Kafka is the topic name. So I'm not going to, I'll show here the consumer. The consumer for the Mina Kafka from beginning. Let me show. Whatever messages has been passed, it is the output is here. So the Kafka consumer also successfully the data has been transformed. Where now I will show how the Spark has been receiving the data from Kafka. So for that, first let me show the build.sbt. So this is the dependency file creation, the integration between the Kafka and Spark stream. So we have given the name of the class and version and Scala version and what are the different dependency libraries. So all these libraries has been added. So this has been named as build.sbt. So let me get into the here the Spark project where I have the build.sbt file, and I have my Spark streaming consumer Kafka JSON Scala. So this is the file which which reads the input from the Kafka, and so the structure of the Kafka has been read, and after that it will again creating to a JSON. So reading a topic, and again it is writing back to the topic. So I'm just going to show in SBT. So I will run cd c colon program files slash sbt slash bin slash sbt. Spark project, Spark, it's there in C program files, SBT bin. So the SBT is here. So SBT batch. Sorry, I'm trying to run wrongly. So C colon slash files slash sbt slash bin slash sbt compile. So since the bin file is having the build file is having the Kafka project name, so in the SPA project in the build SBT, if we see the project, the class name is Spark Streaming Consumer Kafka JSON. So this will pick this the object Spark Streaming Consumer Kafka JSON. So I will execute using the SBT compile based on the uh, configurations as part of the build.sbt. It will compile the input file, the scalar file it will compile. So it is compiling, and you can see the compilation status will be displaying. Currently it is still in progress. Still the compilation progress is progressing. So you can see here the current project is picked as Spark Streaming Consumer Kafka JSON from the SPA project. This is where from the build.sbt it is automatically picked the file, and the compilation is success. So now we will run the same using the SBT bin SBT run. Sorry. Now we are running the SBT, which will execute the Spark Streaming Consumer Kafka JSON. The same setup can be done using some IDE like IntelliJ.js or Eclipse or some other thing, or using Python also we can do it. But we had executed everything through command prompt, and the complete workflow has been taken care. Even though the left hand side it is showing us error, but it is a info and warnings. So those are the messages which is coming. You can see it has been successfully completed, and the JSON1 file has been created. Topic 1 has been created. So this is the workflow from Kafka, from a Kafka, the producer, to Kafka consumer. From Kafka consumer, Spark has been reading the topic, and once it read the topic, it process it, and it is regenerated as a JSON file inside. Recreated as another topic, and it has been presented here. We were able to see that JSON topic. Thanks everyone.